Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on camera watermarks in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your camera app. Now from here, if I take a picture and then open the picture, and you can see in my phone camera watermarks is disabled. If you want to enable it, just go back and then tap on this gear icon to open up your camera settings. From here, go to watermark option. Now just tap here to enable camera watermark, and it's done. You can also customize your camera watermark from here. From here, you can customize your model name. You can check or uncheck this option. You can also edit your model name from here. Just tap on edit. Then you can type anything as you want. Then just tap on save. And you can see date and time is already checked. And then scroll down. You can also change your font style from here. You can choose any option as you like. If I select it, and it's done. Then at last you can change your alignment. You can see 5 options and you can choose any option as you like. Now if you go back and then take a picture again. Now if I open my picture, and that's it. You can see in my phone camera watermark has been enabled successfully. And that is how you can turn on camera watermarks in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.